Happy Mobile Home Fact Friday, guys. Today we're going to be answering the question of whether or not a mobile home or manufactured home appreciates or depreciates in value. Tell us what you think. So to start off, if you look at a mobile home in terms of a car where you can relocate it, or an RV where you're moving it from space to space, then of course it's going to depreciate it. You're getting wear and tear on it. But if you're keeping the home in place, then you get something called location value. That's where the added value to your home is the location. Where is it located? Right now I'm standing in Carlsbad, California. If I take one of my listings here in Carlsbad and move it somewhere else further away from the beach, it could still be in Carlsbad, but on the inland side of the 5 freeway, then of course the home will most likely depreciate. But keeping it here where you can have long-term leases, then there you have opportunity to take advantage of the real estate market. When the market goes up, the chances are your home value is going to go up. There are communities that do 15 and maybe even 20-year leases. That does not mean that the rent won't go up. What it means is you know exactly what it's going to go up. So there's no surprises. You have a better chance of having a manufactured mobile home appreciate in value. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful. We love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comment box. So see you next Friday. Every Friday we bring you mobile home facts.